What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing a little welding on the driver's side rear wheel well, and I'm also going to be doing a little spot up here on the passenger side front wheel well. I've already got the piece cut. I did use the old tape and shape method to get the piece that I need for back here. So anyways, I've already got it shaped. I kind of got it into position, and so pretty much all I got to do is kind of weld it and bang it into like place where it needs to be. But anyways, like I say, you can see the pieces there in the position. Getting some welds on here, the welding hood. I'm gonna get a few good tacks down at the bottom. I'm going to have to make another small little piece for here. Yeah, that should. Yeah, I could probably do it with a little piece like that. Sure of it. I'm sure of it. That was pretty quick. It's not really very good, but it'll work for me as far as I'm concerned. I'll get some primer on that. I'll have to let it cool off and stuff, and then I'll shoot it with a little bit of primer. But for the moment, I'm going to take a time out and okay, so I should be able to get to this one pretty easy. I am going to have to like shield this. I may go ahead and shove this in there. Give myself a little bit of a shield because I have a power steering leak. I need a power steering return hose, so I'm going to have to remember that. But I did dry this off the best I could. Got as much off of there as possible. I'm out of welding wire. So this is going to have to do for now. And then when I get some more welding wire, I'll go through and anyways, when I get some more welding wire, I'll go ahead and go through this again, and then I'll do some more on this side and do some on that side. I'm gonna need some thicker metal though, because over there, and then of course there was that other frame section that needs to be replaced, and it's way thicker than this sheet metal stuff. And anyway, yeah, you know, I got as much as I could get done. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it with some primer though, at least. But I'll wait until it dries and or cools off, and then I'll shoot it with some primer, and then we'll finish this whole segment up. Alright, so I know it wasn't a very long video, but I did what I could with the welding wire I had. I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do all four, and that was another reason that I went ahead and went up here to kind of get that covered a little bit, because that's throwing that in there on the floorboard. It's just going to cause issues again with rot on the inside. So anyway, I wanted to get that done. It took a whole lot of wire to do that rocker, so I knew I didn't have a whole lot left, but at least I had enough to get as far as I did. And now when I get some more welding wire and stuff, I'll get back to it. I'll finish that up, and I'll get on the other side and get some of that frame rail taken care of, and get over here. And I know there's a little bit of framework that needs done over here, but I'm gonna have to get thicker gauge metal, because that skinny sheet just isn't gonna cut it. And of course, I will get on this other side for the back wheel well as well, but I don't know, whenever I get some more weld wire. So anyhow, sure appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and throw a comment down below if you're so inclined. And yeah, have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.